think chicken breast is always dry? Think again. First, place the frozen chicken breast in a zip-top bag and thaw it in cold water for about an hour. Meanwhile, place the eggs in boiling water and cook them for 10 minutes. Transfer the eggs to cold water, then peel them. Now, add water to a pot. Add the chicken breast, pepper, onion, green onion, and bay leaves. Bring it to a boil, skimming off any foam that rises to the surface. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to medium and cook for another 15 minutes until the chicken is tender enough to shred. Take the chicken out and let it cool for a few minutes. Then shred it along the grain. Am I imagining it? Or does the chicken somehow get bigger as I shred it? Strain the cooking broth and pour it back into the pot. Add soy sauce, plum syrup, and cooking wine. Add the shredded chicken and the boiled eggs. Simmer over medium heat for about 15 minutes. Leave the lid slightly open so the broth can reduce. Keep an eye on the pot and make sure the chicken absorbs plenty of that delicious sauce. We don't want to cook all the liquid away. Leave a little sauce to keep the chicken moist and flavorful. If there's still too much liquid, remove the lid and turn up the heat slightly. Music Korean style chicken breast Jangjorim. It's a delicious way to enjoy chicken breast without it being dry. And the eggs are a bonus. Serve it over hot rice or a healthy meal. Or spoon it over shredded cabbage or a light and healthy salad. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.